You can turn your idea into videos, a blog into videos, a PowerPoint into videos, and even a script or a product into videos.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
My name is Dave Espino, your online course and marketing coach with over 900,000 students in 190 countries around the world. After doing over $140 million in sales of my courses and coaching, I'm here to help you achieve financial independence with your course and coaching business. If this sounds awesome to you, then you've got to get your free newsletter down at the link below. Now let's get into today's video. Welcome back, and today I want to share with you a very cool tool that uses AI to create videos for you. And these are professional quality, high quality videos. So let's get into it. I want to share this amazing tool with you and then all the many different use cases you can do with this particular tool. So this tool is called Fliki. And as you can see, you can turn your idea into videos, a blog into videos, a PowerPoint into videos, and even a script or a product into videos using AI voices. And this particular type of AI voice is actually pretty good. So let me share this quick video with you that will show you how this all works. Now I'm going to have a link to this in the description down below so you can check it out. But for now, what I want to do is go into the back office and show you the back end, show you how this all works. So what you want to do is once you're logged in, you want to click on New File here. And then you're going to tell it what type of video you want it to make. So I'm going to say 3 important things about Bitcoin. And I'm going to start with an idea or a prompt. Now, you can use many different languages here, as you can see. You can use different dialects like US English or Australian English or UK English. You can use a different aspect ratio, like standard aspect ratio for YouTube videos is 9:16. But what if you want to do a YouTube short? Then you would do a 1:1, which would be a square aspect ratio. Now here you can start with an idea, or you can start with a script, a blog, a PowerPoint, a tweet, or a product. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with an idea since I don't have a specific script. So I'm going to click on idea prompt and then click submit. And now what you can do is you can give it a prompt. And I'm going to say this. I'm going to say, give me a video with the 3 most important things to know about investing in Bitcoin. I'm a crypto enthusiast. I like investing in crypto and specifically more Bitcoin. But as you can see, you got all these different options, right? And then you could tell it, make it 1 minute long, 2 minutes long, etc. So I'm going to say, let's make it, let's say 4 minutes long. And then you could have it use stock footage, stock video, stock images, or you can have it create AI media. You can use templates. You can have an AI avatar, all these other things. I'm going to leave that as it is, and I'm just going to click submit. Now, if you want to just play around with it, you can play around with it for free, or you can upgrade to download the actual videos. So I'm going to do that later. And there it goes. It's starting to make the video for you. And it's using artificial intelligence, which is really amazing. And by the way, the AI voices are really, really good. I watch a lot of videos with AI voices, and I'm pretty amazed at how bad some of those AI voices are. It looks like a tall video. What I was looking for was the other size, but for now, let's go with it. And this is more like a YouTube Shorts or a TikTok video or whatnot. But as you can see here, if we scroll up, it actually storyboards the video for you. It talks about each individual scene. And then if you want, you could go in and you can edit what it says in these individual scenes. But let's just play it right now and see what it looks like.
Curious about Bitcoin investing? Here are 3 crucial things to know. First, understand Bitcoin's volatility. Prices can fluctuate rapidly. Second, secure your Bitcoin in a reliable wallet to protect your investment. Third, stay informed about market trends and news to make educated decisions. Investing in Bitcoin can be rewarding if you stay aware and protect your assets. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more investment tips.
So as you can see, it didn't go 4 minutes, probably because I'm not on an upgraded plan yet. But as you can see, the quality is really, really good, and it can make a lot of videos for you in a short period of time. This is similar to another tool that I'm going to be reviewing on this channel as well. So be tuned to that. Make sure you subscribe to this newsletter so that you get all our videos. But here's the thing about this is, let's say that you want to create a faceless YouTube channel. What is a faceless YouTube channel? It's a YouTube channel where you never show your face. You just have these videos that are narrated by AI. They use B-roll. You can go in and edit them very easily, and you can create a lot of video content in a short period of time doing this. Now, you could create a YouTube channel that supports your main business. You could create a faceless YouTube channel. So you could have all these videos that are talking about your topic, whatever it is that you're teaching or whatever it is that you're creating a course on or a program about, and you can have it make all these videos for you, put it on this channel where people don't even know that it's you or about you. But in that channel, you're driving traffic to your programs, your products, and your services, right? So you can do this, and you can do this in many, many different ways. So let's say that, for example, that you are teaching cryptocurrency investing, or you're teaching trading in cryptocurrency, right? You can have an entire faceless channel, or many faceless channels for that matter, that all talk about that main topic, right? And then at the end of it, you could have the AI say, for information about crypto trading, crypto investing, be sure to sign up for our free newsletter. Or you could say, for information about crypto investing and crypto trading, be sure to check out the cryptocurrency masterclass available at blah, blah, blah. You could have a link in the description. You can even put in your own image into the editor, this video editor, so that at the very end, there's a call to action to drive traffic to your stuff. This is powerful. You can do this, and you can do a lot of videos in a short period of time. And videos are an amazing way to drive traffic, I know. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. It's an amazing tool. I'll have the link to it in the description down below. We'll see you next time.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.